nanohana, canola flower. Nanohana is one of the most popular Japanese flowers in spring. Nanohana. And nannohana means what flower. We can say これ何の花?これは何の花ですか? What flower is this? And please notice that has one moral. I've heard many times that non-native Japanese speakers say nanohana as nannohana. Please imagine that a non-native Japanese speaker and a Japanese girl. これは何の花ですか?
She was trying to say what flowers are these, and the Japanese girl took it as, are these canola flowers?
違う。それ菜の花じゃないよ。チューリップ。
では、これは何の花ですか?
She still took it as, is this a canola flower?
違う。それはバラ。
では、これは何の花ですか?
She didn't get that again.
違うよ。菜の花って黄色いの。それは桜。
What? Actually, my first video was about this Japanese But if you pronounce this with English, it would be like that. Kinenseki. We can understand it, kinenseki. But if you speak faster with English, kinenseki. It's close to kinenseki. Japanese is not but So please notice that Japanese has one moral. And please watch this video. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。